Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we'll take a look at print settings. Print settings are primarily used to control the printing. In addition to page breaks and all that, there are a few other things you can kind of play with. Go to File and then click on the Print, and what you see here are the settings, print settings. Above that you have copies where you can select or enter the number of copies that you want to print, and then you can select the desired printer. So on top of that you have certain settings, meaning you can print the whole workbook, or you can print just the worksheet, or just select print the selected area, meaning you can just select a range of cells and just print that section only. That is possible from this particular thing here. So you pick and choose the desired option, and then you print it. Next you have option to pick the pages that you want to print. Once you have your preview set the way you want it to be printed, and then you can pick the desired pages that you want to print instead of printing the whole workbook or the whole set of pages. Then you can pick the way you want to collate when you print multiple copies. If you're just printing one copy, then it doesn't make any sense. The orientation, you want to do it portrait or landscape, depending on your need. You can pick that. Most likely by the time you get to the print preview, if you are already adjusted page breaks and all that, most likely you might have already set the orientation using other menu options, and we'll go take a look at it as well. Then you have the size. The one below the orientation is the page size. Depending on to which size page you're printing or paper you're printing your document, you select the size here. Then you have margins. You can pick wider margins or narrow margins or standard, and then what you have is the scaling, which we already looked at. These options are all print settings, but these are all available from your page break view or page layouts tab of the Excel. You could control or configure most of this from there. One good thing about this print area is that everything is available here. You don't have to dig around your ribbons and tabs and trying to figure out what to enable, what not to enable. But once you're here, you can do most of the configuration or the print settings here. Once you're done with this, you are ready to print. Well, that's it about the print settings. I will see you in the next video.